Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just doing a quick video here to show you just a little thing I learned about the Mazda CX-9. If your screen ever does this is all you need to do. You just take the Mazda navigation system disc, open the disc slot here, and then slide it in right here to the map disc slot. And then just give it a second. And then by this point, the DVD will reset the screen. Ta-da! And then all you have to do from there is just eject the disc. Oh, not disc. Slide the disc out, eject, and then there you go, all fixed.